Hello honeycrunchers! Halloween is fast approaching and I asked you guys on Instagram what kind of nail art would you like to see as my last Halloween nail art for this year. And I decided to do Dania_236's suggestion and it's Molang. And of course I'll be doing both Molang and Pew Pew. I decided to try and paint this picture. Molang in a mummy costume and Pew Pew on a pumpkin costume. Okay, so here are my base colors. Light blue for my index nail, light orange for my middle nail, purple for my ring nail, and pastel pink for my pinky and thumbnail. So, let's start by painting a shape like this with white acrylic paint for Molang's body. Then add the ears. After letting it dry, apply another coat for opacity. Then I'll be adding pink lines like this for Molang's mummy costume. Then I added Molang's hands. Then I painted Molang's face. Now let's paint Pew Pew. I'll start with using a white acrylic paint to paint Pew Pew. Then I added the second coat. Then I applied colors. And then I added Pew Pew's face. Let them all dry, then apply top coat. I usually apply 2 coats of top coat, letting the first coat to dry before adding the second coat when I'm painting with acrylic paint. This will smoothen or even out your painted designs. Then I added holographic top coat to my pinky and my index nail. Then I stamped a spider and its web on my thumbnail. And that's it. I hope you like my Molang and Pew Pew Halloween inspired nail art. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more nail art tutorials, product reviews, and vlogs in the future. And never forget to share this video to your awesome friends. Happy Halloween to everyone! And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!